Fried chicken with Kropeck recipe. Ingredients. For the fried chicken: 1 kilogram chicken pieces, drumsticks, thighs, or wings. 1 cup buttermilk or 1 cup milk with 1 tbsp vinegar. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 tsp garlic powder. 1 tsp onion powder. 1 tsp smoked paprika. 1 tsp salt. 1/2 tsp black pepper. All for deep frying. For the Kropeck shrimp crackers: 1 pack store-bought Kropeck uncooked. All for deep frying. Optional sauces: sweet chili sauce, spiced vinegar. Instructions: 1. Prepare the chicken. A. Rinse and pat the chicken dry with paper towels. B. In a bowl, marinate the chicken in buttermilk for at least 2 hours or overnight in the fridge. This ensures tenderness and flavor. 2. Prepare the seasoned flour. A. Mix flour, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper in a large bowl. 3. Coat the chicken. A. Remove the chicken from the buttermilk and let excess drip off. B. Dredge each piece in the seasoned flour, pressing firmly to ensure an even coating. C. Set aside for 10 minutes to allow the coating to adhere. 4. Fry the chicken. A. Heat all in a deep pan to 175 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. B. Fry the chicken in batches, ensuring they don't overcrowd the pan. Cook for about 1 to 1.5 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. C. Drain on a wire rack or paper towels. 5. Cook the Kropeck. A. Heat all in a separate pan to about 180 degrees Celsius 360 degrees Fahrenheit. B. Drop the Kropeck pieces into the hot oil. They will expand and puff up in seconds. C. Remove immediately and drain on paper towels. 6. Serve. A. Arrange the fried chicken over a bed of crispy Kropeck on a platter. B. Serve with dipping sauces like sweet chili or spiced vinegar on the side. Tips and variations. You can use a mix of spices for the flour coating, such as cayenne for heat or dried herbs for added flavor. For a healthier twist, air fry or bake the chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for 100 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, turning halfway. Add Kropeck as a side dish with other meals, as its light texture complements a variety of cuisines. Enjoy this delicious pairing of crunchy, fried chicken and Kropeck for a perfect snack or meal. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.